Saving for retirement is a big challenge. It is more challenging if one's current salary is just enough for basic needs. Meet Karen. She has been working abroad since 1990. She remits her salary to the Philippines to cover her family's household expenses. Saving is a challenge for her. She wonders how she and her family can have a comfortable life when she returns to the Philippines upon retirement. Meet Baste. He is a monthly salaried employee. Every morning, he goes to work in the Central Business District. Most of his salary is used to pay for household utilities and the tuition fees of his 3 children. As he rides the MRT, he wonders what will happen when he retires. Meet Ali, an entrepreneur. For the last 6 years, she earns by selling meat products in a local wet market. She dreams to travel and enjoy life, possibly upon retirement. She wonders how, as when she does not work, she does not earn. Karen, Baste, and Ali are all thinking about their future. They all want another means to save for their retirement besides the few choices available in the Philippines. Now, they can take advantage of a new savings mechanism to assure that they have a more secure and comfortable future. The Personal Equity and Retirement Account Act, or PERA. Established through Republic Act No. 9505, the Personal Equity and Retirement Account is a personal and voluntary retirement savings plan that is open to all Filipinos. It is another means wherein people can save for retirement. Filipinos at least 18 years of age, earning income through employment or self-employment in the Philippines or overseas, and have a Philippine Tax Identification Number or TIN are qualified to open an account. 5% of the total PERA contributions can be deducted from the contributor's income tax liabilities. Income earned from investments and reinvestments of PERA assets is exempt from taxes. The contributor may also enjoy a tax-free distribution of PERA assets provided that he is at least 55 years old and has made the contributions for at least 5 years. Tax-free distribution will also be made in case of a contributor's death or disability, or for payment of accident or illness-related hospitalization in excess of 30 days. Finally, PERA assets shall not be considered assets of the contributor for purposes of insolvency and estate taxes. The maximum amount of annual contribution entitled to PERA incentives shall be 100,000 pesos or its foreign currency equivalent. If the contributor is married, each of the spouses shall be entitled to make a maximum annual contribution of 100,000 pesos or its foreign currency equivalent to his or her respective PERA. Overseas Filipinos shall be allowed to make maximum annual contribution of 200,000 pesos or its foreign currency equivalent. Private employers may also contribute to its employees' PERA, provided that in no case should the combined contribution of the employer and the employee exceed the maximum allowable amount. A contributor shall have a maximum of 5 PERAs, wherein each PERA shall be confined to only one investment product category. The product categories may include unit investment trust funds, shares of stock of mutual funds, annuity contracts, insurance pension products, pre-need pension plans, shares of stock or other securities listed and traded in a local exchange, exchange-traded bonds, government securities, and other categories of investment products or outlets which the concerned regulatory authority may allow for PERA purposes. It is important to note that these PERA investment products must be duly accredited by the concerned regulatory authorities to be entitled to the tax incentives. Karen, Baste, and Ali are potential contributors of PERA. To open an account, a contributor simply visits any accredited PERA administrator presently available to banks and soon after, the insurance companies and investment houses. They simply fill up an application form and ensure to select and designate the following: cash custodian and/or securities custodian to take custody of funds and securities or other evidence of investments, respectively. The cash custodian and securities custodian, though, may not be the same entity as the chosen administrator. At the option of the contributor, he may designate an accredited PERA investment manager to provide investment advice or make decisions in behalf of the contributor. When the account is opened, the contributor must choose accredited PERA investment products from various product providers to jumpstart the investment activity. PERA provides a viable vehicle to allow Filipinos to properly save for a comfortable and secure retirement. It gives investors the assurance of enjoying financial freedom in their golden years, freeing them of monetary worries and concerns. What are you waiting for? Join Karen, Bastet, and Ali and be a step closer to fulfilling your dreams of a comfortable and happy retirement. Para sa maayos, komportable, at mas matiwasay na pagretiro, pera-pera lang yan. Make PERA part of your investment plan. Make PERA part of your future today.